channel. I'm Denise, and I am going to be showing you how I fix my phone. I ended up getting an LCD screen with a digitizer already installed in it, and I'm going to put that right there. I ended up getting a glass case for it, and this all came together, these two. And this also came with the digitizer because I ordered it with it. These are going to be your adhesives for your front. Here, you're going to see here in a minute. So this is going to be together. And when
you purchase your digitizer, you gotta make sure that this is good. So like, I'm gonna show you an example on the one I got a while back, and it was no good. This is to an old phone. Right here, it was messed up. It was bent, and it did not fit in there. I had to tell the guys to send me a new one. They sent me a new one on this one, and it's an old one, so I'm gonna put that in there. These are all the tools that I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need that, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna need this for here in a little bit. Let me show you my phone first before we start anything, like how bad it really is. It is horrible. And I'm gonna set that there so it turns on. It's turning on. You're gonna need tape. And let me show you the tools. Okay, you can use all these tools if you have to open your phone from the back, which my phone, you can't open it from the back. It has to be open from the front. So all these tools really don't matter. These are priors for prying your phone open, or your tablet, or your computer, or TV, whatever you have. That's great for those too. But I'm gonna put these aside because I really don't need these. All these tools and gadgets. So put those there. And these are the things I'm not gonna use most of them, but I just want you to see what came in the set. This was a whole set that I bought. It came in one of these packages that I ordered on eBay, and so it was awesome. So I'm gonna put the description on the bottom, and one of these, a suction cup for prying off the thing. But I'm gonna show you how that works here in a little bit. Okay, first off, if your phone is really bad like mine was, and it had sharp edges all over it, because it had an incident where it kind of went through a window, and so you're just going to want to go like this, and just, an old filing would work, and just file all the sharp edges off. Like, you can tell where I actually did do all of it around, because it was just so sharp, it was cutting my fingers. Okay, and so on the tape, you can use some duct tape. This kind of tape would work. And you can use scotch tape, like layers and layers and layers and layers of scotch tape. And so when you do, you actually do want to fold it over so you get that nice, where you don't have any sharp edges coming out or anything like that. And so you're going to need something like a scalpel end. You can use an X-Acto knife, would be perfect, or anything with a sharp edge of razor blade. But just be careful, don't cut yourself. And you just want to go, we're going to get right into this. So you're just going to want to go into the edges. So you just, yeah, you just want to go right into the, I already taped it, pre-taped it already, if you didn't notice already. And so you're just going to want to go over it, just like this, and just, sometimes the X-Acto knife, or the knife that you're using, is just really going to go in there and just pop it off for you already. Just be careful with the shards. But if that doesn't happen, it's not coming off already, then you just want to put this aside, and you already cut all the sides of it off already, like this. Aha, just cut my finger. Just go like this along, so be careful with the shards that are just coming off. You heard that gritty sound? That's what that was. So we're going to put this right here. We don't want to throw that because we don't want to hurt ourselves later on. So you're just going to want to find a good edge where it looks good, like it's going to come off. And you're just going to want to pry it off. And when prying off these screens, you want to be careful not to break the homing button. And this is your homing button right here. And some of the phones, they're just really connected up to here. So be careful on that. Luckily mine is connected underneath. It's a great thing. And right here, I don't have to, excuse me, I don't have to use the screws, because mine is right there. So we're just going to pick the edge of this. If you have, now let's just use this one. We're just going to pry it off. And gotta be careful that it doesn't do that. And so what you're going to want to do is put this aside. Be very careful. And we're going to take this little tape off that it came with, or you can leave it on there, doesn't matter. Just be careful, don't rip anything. Like, let's hope I don't rip anything off. I'm such a klutz. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't want to break anything. Knowing me, I'm gonna break it. So we just put it right there. See? Put this right here. And so you want to You're gonna hear it snap. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, oh my god. I'm gonna sit down. I need some stabilization. I need a stable place. So finding a stable place is really good. To putting this in there. So let me put it right there. There we go. It's in there. Oops, oops. Okay, before you put it in there, I forgot to do this. I forgot to apply the adhesives. These are cool, and this is where the tweezers actually do come in. They're like tweezers. This is actually where the tweezers come in. I forgot about this one. See, you're gonna want be very careful. And always before installing this on your phone, you want to make sure it works. And I already did that. I made sure it worked before putting it on, before doing this. Because you'd hate to do all this work and it doesn't work. So you just want to peel it back like this. You go like that, and then you're going to want to get your tweezers, or your cool tweezers, and you're just going to want to do this. You just want to go in here, like this. And it's going to seal by itself. You want to make sure that it's not hooked on anything. Like right here, I don't know if you saw it, that it didn't go on there quite right. So you just want to take that off and seal it. Okay, let's pause this real quick. Pause. Okay, now I put it on there. And when I did, it was all crooked. Crooked. It was crooked. And so, this was, when I took this off, it had this still on there, and so I just took this off. And it was, I had to break it right here for it to fit on this side. But that's fine. I usually do one. I never do the second one because, I don't know. I just feel like if I do it, I'm gonna mess it up. But I don't know. When I usually do two, it bulks up a little bit and it sticks out and looks kind of tacky. But I'm just gonna do one for right now. And if I can always go back and redo it if I want to. But I'm just gonna put this down here. I need something fine stable. I'm gonna put it in just like this snap. It made a snap. And once you hear that snap, that's a good thing. And let me get that piece that I just dropped. Okay, pause. Okay, I found it. I found it thrown over there. Okay, it tells you how to put it in. I don't know if you can see it. I'm showing an arrow this way, so you put it in this way. So this is a great time to have your tweezers. You just put it in like this, and then you're gonna hear another snap. Like, so you know when it's good when you hear it like this. Snap. I'm just gonna lay that little piece on there. And then we're just gonna, I'm doing it wrong. We got stuck on tape. So just be careful that we got stuck somewhere. Where did it get stuck in here? Okay, guys, just be careful that it doesn't get stuck on the adhesive part when you're putting it on the adhesive part. I don't know if you can see it, that it actually got stuck there. So just be careful on that. It's already on. It's in there. See? It's in there. It's placed in there. And this is all you do. It's just this. Oops, see, it's sticking out of my stuff right there. But you know what? Since I did it myself, that's going to be okay right there. I don't know if you can see that sticking out. Kind of not satisfied with that. But you know what? That's fine. That's okay. It went in there anyways. And so I'm going to show you that my phone is going to turn on. And then I'm so excited. I'm not sure what that is. It's a beep. Ew. No, I looked at that last night and didn't even see that. I'm not even sure what that is. Oh, I think I did that when I had a crack, and so I cracked it. Let's hope it works. I messed it up. And I always forget this part when doing this. Seriously, I I forget to get this part. Then I'm gonna have to open my phone again just to reinstall all this. So all this that I just did, I'm gonna have to redo it, and I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna show you first. Hold on. I did this. That was my fault right there. So let's turn on. Turn on. I got a gold one. See, the previous was gray. I got a gold, and I got a gold case. It's the case for you. Just somewhere. Well, anyways, it's still starting on. I mean, it looks good. No cracks, anything like that. I should turn on faster. But I'm gonna skip process, reinstall that, do all this thing again, and have a headache. I'll be right back. I'm so lucky that it came off so easy, because I thought I was gonna have to redo the whole thing, and get it. Okay, just put this in there. Yeah, I recommend you not doing this when this is on. I'm gonna set this down. Oops. I always forgot. I was looking at my videos, my last video too. You know what? I forgot this too. This case right here. Okay, it's in there. It's not actually 6 o'clock. It's 1:40. And let's put this all back in there. And clear out. Something to this number here. And it's saying that I had one missed call. And Dollar General. Okay, just stop it. Okay. It works just fine. The home button works. That's great. That's all I need. So what we're gonna do is I want to see if this works. And I forgot to mention this. This is great if your screen is not cracked, like if the digitizer got cracked on the inside. It's got an inside. And what I'm talking about, if it's all fuzzy and like nothing showing, like on my previous one, that it's not broken on the outside, but it's broken on the inside. This is great for this. Just putting this on there and playing it off. Well. When this gets heated and it starts charging and it gets overheated, it's gonna stick on there, and that's why I'm not really too worried about that. And oh yes, this is what we're gonna do. I wanted to see if this was going to come off, because I really want this habit. And so let's see if it does come off. Okay. Let's do it on like a low setting. See, low setting. Because I want this off. But I don't want to melt my back screen. Let's do it like this. And it's hot. Be careful, don't burn your fingers. Use some chance because it gets really hot. Okay. We're gonna let that cool off. And then we're gonna try prying it off. See if it works like this. I really want this bad boy. Okay. Let me do it again one more time. Don't get it too hot. I'm scared to get it hot. So we're gonna put the thing right here, go around, and around, apply more heat. Let's see if it comes off. I don't know if it's gonna come off or not. I think it is coming off. It doesn't come off, it's okay. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Bam! Woo! Okay. Whew, that got me scared. I'm gonna let this cool off on the side because it got the coin up. See? Cooling, but it's warm. And so my phone just went off, so you hear that? And we'll put this right here. It's so fun. And then I'm going to put it on my new screen pan. I think, oh, oops, hold on. You know, before I do that, I don't know, should I do this and do my glass? I don't know, hold on. Let's do the glass first. I need to put my tinted glass on there because, I did touch it. You can see it, I did touch it. I'm just gonna put it like this. Hold on. I know I can do that. It didn't do it. Okay, you know what? Okay. I need to find a good edge where it didn't seal. Okay. But this kit, it came with 2 frying pans. Go like that. Go like this. no way I am a professional. As you can tell, I keep dropping everything, and I don't think professionals drop everything. My God. My Halloween bun looks funny. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna make sure why it looks a little funny. Just go on there. I'm gonna mess up this adhesive by the time I put this on it. There's no money about this. I can put it on there, like, I feel so confident. Okay, there it goes. That's perfect for me. That's great. So works good. And it's holding the case. So there you go. That's how I fix it. Oh yeah.
Oh, let's hope I don't get too much light on it. I know. I guess it did work. I'm gonna put it right there in the center. And I did it all by myself. Look, Mom, I'm a professional. So, no, that's all there is to it, you guys. No way I'm a professional at doing this. I kept dropping a lot of things. I felt, okay, there we go. Voila. Let's push it on the side and we're good to go. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, ignore, comment, and just tell me what y'all think. And y'all have a nice, wonderful day. Hope everyone is doing great. And see you next time. Bye. More like of an in-depth video right here. Pause with it. But if you can't find the screen you're looking for and your phone doesn't work and you can't turn it on and it's completely like this, then you're just gonna go to the model number. You see that? It says model number, and you just go to your I usually get my stuff off of eBay. If you go to eBay, find that number, look that up, or go to your local store, and if they have that up, and they just sell screens and stuff. Your phone place, any place that sells phone accessories, you just look at that, and that's how you find that, the number to the screen, to the phones.